Top 5 Best Drone for Photography. Number 5. Autel Robotics Evo Lite Plus Premium Bundle. Autel Robotics Evo Lite Plus is what happens when a drone grows up and goes to film school. Armed with a 1-inch CMOS sensor and a 6K camera, it doesn't just capture video, it paints moving art. Low light? No problem. The moonlight algorithm kicks in like a silent genius, sharpening shadows and pulling color from the night. Aperture control from f2.8 to f11 gives photographers real creative freedom. Night shots? Crisp. Daytime panoramas? Rich with detail. Add HDR that auto-blends exposures and suddenly clouds and sun aren't enemies anymore. For pilots, the 3-way obstacle avoidance makes flying almost too easy. It sees before you do. Transmission. 12 kilometers of buttery-smooth 2.7K video feed. That's a long leash for a flying camera. And with 40 minutes of flight time, there's no rush to land. No geofencing means freedom. Take it anywhere. Dynamic tracking, hyperlapse, defog mode, cinematic quick shots, and even sound recording from your phone. Yes, it talks while it flies. This isn't just a drone. It's a flying filmmaker, a personal paparazzi, and a night vision wizard. All packed into one sleek bundle that doesn't just follow trends, it quietly redefines them. Coming in number 4. DJI Mavic 3 Classic. DJI Mavic 3 Classic doesn't just fly, it glides with purpose. Powered by a custom 4.3 CMOS Hasselblad camera, this compact beast delivers cinematic clarity with roots in Swedish precision. Landscapes become legends, and everyday skies turn into gallery shots. With up to 46 minutes of flight time, the Mavic 3 Classic is built for endurance. It senses obstacles in every direction, thanks to APAS 5.0, and makes smart decisions mid-air. Return to home is no longer just a safety net. It's a guided journey back, with real-time route visuals via AR. Add the new Vision Assist, and flight safety becomes second nature. This drone reaches up to 15 kilometers with a live 1080p and 60 FPS feed, keeping creatives connected and focused. Waypoint Flight adds memory to movement, allowing exact route repetitions, a dream for pros needing consistency. What stands out is how it simplifies power. It's serious gear in a surprisingly lightweight setup, no fluff, just stable flight, stunning image quality, and intelligence that feels effortless. The Mavic 3 Classic doesn't try to impress, it just quietly dominates the sky. Coming in number 3, DJI Air 2S Fly More Combo. DJI Air 2S Fly More Combo hits that rare sweet spot where performance, portability, and price actually get along. With a 1-inch sensor and 5.4K video, it packs heavyweight imaging into a drone the size of a water bottle. Details are crisp, colors rich, and thanks to D-Log and 10-bit depth, post-production has real breathing room. Master Shots automates cinematic sequences like it's got Spielberg coded in. Focus track locks onto subjects effortlessly, while environment sensing in 4 directions keeps flight smooth and safe, even in tricky terrain. OcuSync 3.0 ensures a stable 7.5-mile video feed, though signal range can vary by environment. Cities may clip its wings a bit. Battery life averages around 20 minutes with aggressive flying, but 3 included batteries in the combo stretch the creative window all day. ND filters? Essential, and thankfully included. The bag? Surprisingly premium. Not perfect, no adjustable aperture, dynamic range could be better, but these are minor notes in an otherwise standout composition. For travel, real estate, weddings, or solo creators needing top-tier quality without hauling cinema rigs, this drone delivers. If the Mavic 3 is a luxury coupe, the Air 2S is a sports sedan, agile, sleek, and more than capable. Coming in number 2. DJI Mavic Air 2 Fly More Combo. DJI Mavic Air 2 Fly More Combo is the Goldilocks of drones, not too big, not too small, and just right for creators chasing quality without hauling cinema gear. With a 1/2-inch sensor and 48-megapixel photos, it captures surprising detail for its size. The 4K and 60 FPS video is smooth, and HDR mode benefits from a clever quad-Bayer sensor that juggles shadows and highlights with impressive balance. Flight time hovers around 30 to 34 minutes, with rock-solid GPS and a flight range of up to 10 kilometers via OcuSync 2.0. Obstacle sensing in 3 directions gives beginners confidence and pros room to focus on the shot. The Fly More combo includes essential extras: 3 batteries, a sleek bag, a charging hub, and ND filters. The kind of kit that saves time and sanity on the road. The new controller design is ergonomic, intuitive, and clamps the phone like it means it. ADS-B support is a safety bonus, giving real-time alerts for nearby aircraft. And when paired with the DJI Fly app, the drone becomes both a creative tool and a safety-aware co-pilot. This is a drone that does more than fly. It listens, learns, and shoots like it belongs in a pro's toolkit, all without needing a Pelican case. Coming in number 1, DJI Mini 3. DJI Mini 3 is a pocket-sized powerhouse built for the everyday flyer. Weighing just under 249 grams, it dodges FAA registration while packing serious visual punch. 4K HDR video with crisp detail and surprisingly good low-light performance thanks to dual native ISO fusion. With true vertical shooting, tall scenes like waterfalls or cityscapes are ready-made for Instagram or TikTok. Despite its size, this little drone can handle winds up to 38 kilometers per hour and delivers steady, cinematic shots via a 3-axis gimbal. Its range stretches an impressive 10 kilometers with solid HD transmission, and features like quick shots and panorama bring pro-level flair without the learning curve. Battery life clocks in at a real-world 30+ minutes, extendable with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus. The Fly More combo boosts airtime and includes ND filters, charging hub, and a well-designed bag, essential if you want more than a quick flight. Lacking obstacle sensors beyond the bottom, it's best for open-air adventures or confident hands. Still, GPS RTH, auto takeoff, and smooth hovering make it friendly even for total beginners. For its price and portability, the Mini 3 is shockingly capable, a travel essential for those who want beauty, speed, and simplicity in the sky.